Okay, today we are bypassing Hisense E31 Lite. You can see behind here. Yeah, before you start, you have to make sure that internet connection is clear and the lock there. Let me show you that this phone is locked before we start with everything. Skip. I've already connected to my Wi-Fi. This method can be used on Hisense E51, E50, all the lights, and E31 also. Just make sure that you follow the steps in order for you not to miss out anything. Alright, don't copy. Alright, you can see there is a pin on this phone. I'm trying to put in this random pin. It's not going through, wrong pin. So use my Google account instead. Okay, let's head to the Google verification. You can see they're asking me for a phone number or email, and I don't know anything. So let's go back and start with the trick now. So first you have to go to the emergency. Before we go to the emergency, we have to switch off the internet connection to disconnect from the Wi-Fi. You can see the Wi-Fi is not connected now, so let's go back. Okay, emergency call. Double tap on emergency information. Pen icon, then name icon here. Choose image. 3-line gallery, go long press, then you go to this section. If the permission is not showing, then for stop it. All right, after this the permission is here. You go in, you search for the app, then there will be a section that will show you to click on app info, then app info 36 applications, then for stop Android setup. After this, clear the cache, go back to the Google Play service, go in it for stop it, go to clear the go to clear the cache. Do not clear the storage first, go then disable it, go back to the storage and cache, clear the cache also, then for stop it once again, then go back. If you clear the storage, then it will take you back while the key on top there did not disappear yet. So let's go back. Now let's start and try again. Skip. You can see the setup offline here. Press on it, continue. Then here it will not take you anywhere. It will just alternate from just a sec to getting a phone ready on some phone, but this one just a sec. So let's go back again. Press emergency call, double click on that one, pen icon, name, choose an image, 3-line gallery, go long press. You can still see that there's no permission and for stop is disabled. So now let's disable the entire app. All right, wait for a sec. Okay, then let's disable it. You can see, then I enable it, the permission is here. Click on it, search for app. App info, app info, then go to the Google Play service, app, enable it, then go back to the first step, to the first screen. Go back. Right now, start. You can see there's no lock button there, so skip, setup offline, continue. Now there will be no issues. It will move from here to Google services, then accept. skip anyway, agree to the terms and conditions and the user's agreement, privacy policy, agree. Now we are done. The home screen is here.